In this video, I'm going to show you how to create sales reports with the Sales Analytics tool in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to the Sales Analytics by going over to Reports and then clicking onto the Sales Analytics option. If you can find it, it's typically under Sales as well. Clicking onto the Sales Analytics will include you into the page for the upgraded UI. As you have noticed, the Sales Analytics is available onto the Sales Hub Professional, or we're currently on the Service Hub Professional. If you want, you can start a 14-day free trial for this. Now in there, you can see all the sales insights that you need at your fingertips. You can just select or create a report type such as deals, closed sales, activity, and revenue performance, and create a custom report based on that. You can also set filters for date ranges, owners, and pipeline, and apply those filters and customize your reports by selecting the metrics to display, chart types, and properties. Save and export it onto your dashboard. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more HubSpot guides, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.